Who's ready to make the perfect fudge brownie? So we're going to start with 3 tablespoons of melted butter, a 1/4 cup of canola or vegetable oil, and a cup of brown sugar. Using brown sugar instead of regular white sugar makes these taste so much more rich and high quality. Then we'll add 1 egg and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, mix that as well. Then 3/4 cup of flour and a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. Mix this until all of the lumps of the flour and cocoa powder are out. Put it into any 9x9 type pan that you have and bake it at 350 for 16 to 20 minutes. And these are our perfect classic fudge brownies.
How to make the easiest brownie cookies. You're going to start off with 3 cups of powdered sugar. You're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 2/3 cups of cocoa powder. Mix your dry ingredients together. Then you're going to add in 3 egg whites, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, this is the one I used, as well as some chocolate chips. Now this is the important part. After you're done mixing it, you want to set it in the fridge for 30 minutes or they're going to bake completely wrong. After the 30 minutes, go ahead and take them out of the fridge and add them to your prepared baking sheet. You want to bake them at 350 for 15 minutes. And there you go.